They say property prices are expensive. Compared to what? If I showed you how to buy properties using extraordinarily little money and owning free houses, will it still be expensive? If I also showed you how to buy properties below £100,000 and earning profit of about £900 per month, every month from that property, will it still be expensive for you? Or if you were to buy a house today, which will help you to reduce working hours or give you peace of mind and prepare you for a healthy retirement, will it still be expensive? Hopefully, your answers to all these questions is an emphatic no. Louistas, Nyuyse here from Frontline Wealth Solutions. If you stay till the end of this video, you will discover why your life choices may be very expensive, actually more expensive than buying properties right now. Most people working from 9 to 5 in their jobs in the UK earn an average of about £30,000, and after paying tax and other things and bills, they end up with about £2,000 in their pockets. Then they pay their rents, further bills, and maybe they end up with £200. They may save for a year and then they go on holiday, which may cost them £4,500. So in 24 months, they end up with something like £300 in their bank account. Does that sound familiar to you? So consider this other scenario. I got money from some colleagues and bought a property which gives me £350 each month as profit. That is something like £4,200 in 12 months, £8,400 in 24 months. Which one is expensive? Working 9 to 5 and saving £300 in for 24 months, or buying one property and earning £8,400 in the same 24 months, and even while working in your own job? Which one is expensive? Check our closed Facebook group, link below for further details about this property and how I bought it. I would like you to consider this scenario too. This one property will continue to grow in value, and I do not need to do anything to this property anymore. But the money comes in every month, and the tenants are paying the money, of course, and paying the mortgage. And for me to earn a salary, I have to travel to work. I have to work every day or every week, and I have to wait for somebody to determine whether they can pay me or not, and how much they should pay me, and whether I should get a pay rise or not. Paying for my skills, my knowledge, my time, and the pay is not enough. But every 10 years, properties will double, more or less, in value with little or no effort from me. Which one is expensive? Buying the property and letting it grow, or working day in, day out and earning maybe £300 in 24 months? I help people to buy houses for less than £100,000, and the deposit you need for this type of house is about £25,000. And the last time I checked, I saw a colleague wearing clothes, shoes and jewelry which was worth about £36,000. Oh yes, and it may sound like it's a huge sum of money, but think about what you are wearing. Think about from your shoes right up to every other thing you have there. And these things will certainly depreciate. They will be thrown away at the end of maybe 5 years. They will go to the bin. A property once built lasts forever and will continue to give you wealth, even to your children's children and their generations to come. Would you not agree with me that you could save a bit of money and buy this one property and use the money from the property to buy further jewelry and other things? Let me ask you this. How much will it cost you psychologically to watch people make so much money from property while you yourself procrastinate? How much will it cost you physically to work 9 to 5 for 30 years and even more, when you could really just buy 1 or 2 properties and then have an early retirement? How much would it cost you? How much will it cost you your health, working every day, every week, every month, knowing you can be sacked at any time, and yet you do not have a plan B? You do not have enough savings or enough passive income to help you out, keep you going. How much will it cost you? And does that bother you? So would you agree with me that the cost of not taking action, the cost of investing in perishables, the cost of not having passive income and ignoring opportunities like the one I'm presenting to you in property investment right now could be very, very devastating for you? If you would like to discover 5 simple steps to get you a property below £100,000 within 6 to 12 months, click the link below for a conversation about how we can help you. Thanks very much for watching. I wish you well, good luck, and stay blessed.